up, everybody? I'm just making this video about this ultrasonic cleaner. It was suggested to me by some guys at the local hobby shop to clean my bearings, and they said that it works real well. So I got me an ultrasonic cleaner, and it's my first time trying it. So I'm gonna try it out, and guess we're gonna see if it works. But he highly suggested get an ultrasonic cleaner. He said you get your bearings, and they run on dirt tracks, so their cars and bearings be getting real dirty. And they said that this thing cleans them out very well and gets rid. So I got a old bearing. I don't know if you can hear this. It don't spin. It's old. It's grit in there. It's all messed up. And I got another bearing here. It don't spin. Where's my bearing thing? Let's see. See how it spins? Hopefully you can see that, because I don't know what you can see really. But got another one here. Let's see. That one spins okay. This one, I don't know. Feel like it got grit. Okay, this one feel a little tighter than that one. Let's take out this thing. Get this off of here. Alright, then we can see how it spins. It spins okay. Then I got one of these kind of bearings with the metal seals. Let's see if we can clean this one. So I'm gonna put them in the ultrasonic cleaner for about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna check on them after that, and let's see. What you're supposed to really do is put them in this tray and just stick it in here. You got the little minimum and maximum things of water, stick it in there and run it in there. But I looked it up when a guy told me about it, and they suggest don't do this because you'll have to put all your cleaning solution in here and everything in here, and then once you're done, that this thing becomes real gritty and grimy, and it's a little work to clean this out. So what they suggested that I do is put it in a little plastic container, put my cleaning solution, everything in there, and then stick this in there, and and then turn it on and work it through that and put everything in here. So that's the way I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all these bearings in here, and I'm gonna put the little seals in here too, and I'm gonna use some brake cleaner. Little brake cleaner up in here. A little bit more. That look like enough. Okay, so you see, it's all clear. Everything's clear. So we're gonna see. I'll make sure they all flat. Ain't nothing on top of nothing else. Now I'm gonna put this in here like this. I'm gonna take this because it floats, and set this on top, and I'm gonna set this on top of it just to hold it down. Just to hold it down, so it don't be floating. I have a on and off switches in the back of here. I'm gonna set this, turn it on. If I can get to the switch. There we go. That's set for 1 minute and 80. Let me take this off my head. I can work with it over here. Yeah, that's set for, that's 1 minute and 80 seconds. I'm gonna set it for like 9 minutes or a little, let's just set it for 5 minutes and 40 seconds. So that's how long we'll set it for. And then I'm gonna come back at the end of that, and we're gonna check it and see what happens. Just press that, it comes on, and just let it run for that 5 minutes and 40 seconds, and it's supposed to clean them up real good according to the guys at the shop, and according to a few videos I looked up about it. They said the stuff works. So I'm going let it run, and I'll come back when it's done. All right, I'm back. It's done. It went on for 1:40 seconds. So let's see what we got here. I only use that because that floats. So let's see what we got here. Water looks a little bit dirty. We'll have to see how it cleaned them. I'm about to water the nitro spray. The nitro spray should have been eating up stuff with itself, so I'll get all this stuff up out of here. Alright, well, look how dirty that is. I guess it got something up out of there. But this is to get oil, grease, grit. You know, that's what it's supposed to do. So let's see. Let's just see how they spin. This was the worst bearing. So I want to see how this one was real bad. Oh yeah, that is a lot better. A lot better than what it was. No more grit up in there, huh? Oh, it did a great job on that bearing. This bearing was the worst one. Oh yeah, how about this one? Let's see. I just put it on there. I guess it's okay. I don't know how good it got up in there. I don't know how good, you know, how much dirt gets up in there either, but I guess it's okay. Let's check out these. These wasn't super bad, but they wasn't, you know. It's been a little better than it did. I put it in there for like 5 minutes and 40 seconds. It goes all the way up to like 30. This one ain't spinning that well. This was still spinning kind of like it was. So I'm not sure about this one. So what I would probably do is put this one back in there, but this one was bad. It had all kind of grit and stuff in it. This one too big to go on my bearing puller, so. Oh yeah, this one's a lot better now. Oh yeah, this thing might actually work. You know, these look clean. These look clean. Don't look like it got all that grease and oil on them no more. Oh yeah. So instead of buying brand new bearings every time, because they're expensive, maybe just take them all out and clean them. And then after you clean them, I will oil them. This is the oil I use. I don't know. This is just the oil I use. So, synthetic lubricant. I don't know if it's the best or the worst, but it's just what I use. I don't put a lot of oil. I just put a little bit in there. You want to put some type of oil in there because even though the bearings spin a lot longer without oil, when you run the car, it heats up, and you don't want to have all that friction. You want the oil to break down and smooth out everything, so you do want to get oil in there. These are ceramic bearings right here, so you have to replace these every time and get expensive. So if I could just clean them all instead of having to replace them, you know, could save some money. So this is the Ultrasonic Cleaner. You know, so far I think I like it. One of these bearings I would clean again or put back in there. You know, but this bearing was so bad. It was, you could hear, it was just bad. You know, but now it's all oiled up, and it's the seal on there. Seal is clean, everything is clean. But let me see. But that's the name of the box it came in. This is my first time using it. I'm gonna use it some more. If it, you know, continues to work good. Look at the that water's all cloudy, and then there wasn't nothing in there. Everything was in here. So that's what it looked like after the cleaning. So what I'm thinking is, let's say I want to change my diff fluid or something. You know, I would take it to all the diff stuff and put the diffs. I would put all the diffs in here. You know, get all the old grease and oil and stuff off. Well, I probably would put them in something like this. You know, with some type of solution. Online they say you can use Dawn, you can use any solution you want, whatever solution you like, solution you can use, but put it in there, maybe dilute it with a little bit of water depending on what you're using. And if I ever want to change my diff fluids, I would just put them all in there, the case, put the case in there, all the gears in there and everything, and run it for like 10 minutes or so, try to get them all cleaned out, and then, you know, rebuild it. I'm gonna try it probably in a week or so. So I think I'm going to rebuild my diffs. Whether I shoot a video about it, I'm not sure, but I am going to try it. Alright, I want to thank everybody for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. This is the Ultrasonic Cleaner. If you're interested, they own, I got this one off Amazon. And that's the name of it right there. Let me see. Yeah, I got it off Amazon. Alright, I'm out.